The Bic Camera. We're gonna do a tour. Oh, TVs, Blu-ray recorders, and camera drone web of wow. Jesus, you can hear the sound, right? That's about $1,400. Look at that. These are huge. 65, I think, inch. It's an 8K TV. Oh my god. Look at that. Festivals. Look at that. This is, hey, look at me. Hey. So these are the circular. What the? $300. This LED light. Maybe it does a lot. Too much. Light camera bed with the culture mounts. 2,700 yen. A laptop light for your meetings. 2,500 yen. Somewhere around heavy. $20. And $300 for 38. This is for, wow, this is heavy. Poor photographers, it might be big people. This feels like, I'm gonna do my best guess. 3 kilograms. Astronomy gear, Skywalker. Okay, by Kenko. Expensive lenses, I'd say. 1,700. Wow. I don't really understand this stuff, but it looks pretty cool if you do. And know stuff. 1,800. Oh wow. This one's huge. I'm not sure why someone at Bic Camera. We're on the 5th floor. This is an Alpha. Oh, A6600 body. Yo, that's just the body. 1,800. So I had the A7C. Heavy. This is heavier probably because of the lens. Better than my kit lens for A7C E mounts. I think this is A7C. Nope, 6400. A7400. 1,300. Heavy. Feels like a rock. Dude, I'm sorry. It's very heavy stuff. And a lot of it is under, look at that, under glass. Can't touch. This is A7C? A7CS? Wow. Probably for light 17. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. This might be a new model. I've never seen A7CS. Look at that. Yeah, 3,500 plus tax. Wow, this thing's heavy. Not even gonna guess. Maybe it'll say, you guys know, 500 grams. Is that with the, this is what I had, A7C. Very heavy. That's what I was carrying around for YouTube. I even consider carrying this around, which is the next level up, A7 III. Very heavy. Oh my lord. I don't know how people carry these things around. iPhone's so convenient and tiny. It's almost $4,000. It's the A7. Is it 4? What is this one? It's not even labeled. A7. Huh? Oh, it is A7 IV. Haha. This is the newest camera by Sony in the A7 series. Super heavy. Oh my god. I'm gonna switch my hand around. Doesn't seem like it's on. Okay. I'm not gonna mess with it. It's really, oh, cash back. Wow. That's a lens. It's worth more than a lot of cameras. Look at the price of that. That's quite a lens. This is almost $2,000 here. The Canon Image Stabilizer Ultra Soft. Whoa. This looks like the DJI, but it's probably cheaper by a company called Grand Flow. 1,500. I mean, so this one's $150. I thought about getting the Tello, to be honest, but where can I fly this? Definitely not in Tokyo. Oh wow, this one looks like a helicopter. That is new. A helicopter drone called a Ghost Eye. What a cool name, but they're pretty much not allowed in Tokyo. Oh, the DJI Mini Pro. Dude, by the way, one of these fellas cut my finger 2 years ago. I bought one for about this price. Somewhere between 29 and 39. But they cut my finger, man. Oh wow. And these are the gimbals. I have this now. recommend this one. You could even buy with points. I bought my restaurant points. So that would be the Insta Flow. Good thing about it is it folds and it's very light. It's got its own legs, so it competes with this one, a DJI Osmo 6, right? But right now I'm not even using a gimbal, so Moza. Wow, look at that. $500 for Moza. This one's heavy. I'm gonna guess 1.5 kilograms. What do you think? You can look it up. Moza. I'm not too many right here to even get. Moza MX2 probably. Heaviest. Oh, this one's also Moza. It's made to balance a camera like this. However, this is metal, so I ended up scratching some of my gear with that, so not good for me. Moza also makes a 4-legged gimbal. Why would you have an extra leg? It's very heavy, but $120 almost. Anyway, let's keep going. Ronin, pretty popular. Kind of expensive out of my price range, but look at that, $990, $660. This is the cheapest. What is this? This one is the RS3 Mini. Oh, by DJI. Light. For the size, it seems light. Metal parts, probably scratch my phone, or if I had a DSLR. Dang, man. Wow, this one even has a visor. Okay, so this is the DJI FPV. It's got a display. Make you feel like you're flying in Top Gun, huh? Or some kind of wow, this one's tiny. Oh my god. Lager orange. Now this size is good maybe for flying around. Oh my god, and this one's 9,000, a little bit under 100. This one's even smaller. Oh my god. So maybe you could fly this around in a room, maybe in a temple, you know? When the wind blows, I was gonna say, this thing's gonna go fly. Like fly away. Plus, like I said, one of these cut my finger. I mean my hand. Like my finger. Gave it a pretty deep cut. Took about 2 months to heal. 100 for this. I just, like, it's not allowed outside in Tokyo, so where would I fly this? I do want to give you guys some good views. Where would I fly it to? Maybe inside a big building? Huh. And I think one of these are new. I have considered getting this. What is this there? This is the oh, it's the Olympus. No, that's the Olympus 10E4. Looks like kind of beautiful, but don't know why it's good. So why this one's good? Sony's very good for autofocus and the color science. It's got a air muff for wind. And look, this is for selfie, so it's good. Price is $130. I'm hoping that's the right price. Probably not. Grand. I think this is $130 there. Start vlogging, which is what I'm doing now. This is the DJI Pocket 2. Clear set. I actually got this. We didn't live stream, so I sold it. Now this has the clear set, which comes with a mic. Better. It's got a nice gimbal, right? This is the gimbal. And so it's pretty good, but I want it for live stream. Wow, this comes with a giant. You gotta buy this separately, but it looks good. Now I just use a phone though. I just recommend using a phone. Oh, this is going down. The binoculars on the other side. So I'm keeping going. Whoa, you can use for bird watching. I don't know. I don't really see girls watching anything, but yeah, okay. Maybe we're using this to watch a soccer game. Binoculars, Canon, high-end binoculars, zoom menu, wow, and on. I guess it works on battery. Photo, wow. So it's like the telephoto lens on the iPhone, but much better and longer. Got 3D. Oh, I can make TokyoPaul t-shirts here. Wow. All right. T-shirts cost about $20. Just put your USB with your photo in there and make a $20 t-shirt. Pillows. Also, leave a comment if you. Oh no, it's 11 though. this, I was gonna get this. This is great, right? Because it's got the GoPro 11 sensor. No display whatsoever. I'm pretty sad because I want the display. I really want the display. And this is kind of cool. This is called a shorty, I think. Sorry, I don't have another hand to put it back together. GoPro Black 10. Ooh. It's the Hero Black 10. Probably with the handle. $700 bucks. That's a lot. It's the GoPro with 2 displays, right? It's got the stabilization technology and the software. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's the GoPro. It's got extra wide mode. Oh, let's play around the GoPro stuff. Got all the holders that you need. But I mean, you know, it's GoPro versus iPhone. Oh, this is the floaty handle for floating. I used to have a GoPro 8. That was alright. Not bad at all. But didn't have a front display that I thought I needed. I used to have the Max too. That's why I was TokyoPaul 360. Yeah, the Max is alright. I think it takes 1080 non-360 shots. But this is the 11 in all its glory. Look at the prices. Max is still $700 bucks. 11 with a better sensor, 5.3K is 800. You're about 10 with Insta360 because I already have the gimbal. So far I'm loving the gimbal. These are all 360 cameras too. The video sucks. I wonder if this is the 1-inch sensor which I was interested in. Can't really see the video, it's not on. But I was interested in this one with a 1-inch sensor. Bigger sensor, better image. 360 cameras. It's a little bit of a gimmick. I mean, I don't get enough watch time on that, you know? It's also a competitor, Action 3 to the GoPro. Similar size, a little heavy. Feels like it's, I want to say 700 grams. But anyway. Oh, cheaper by 200. Oh. Okay, thank you.